Hi guys, welcome to the Pep Coding. Today we will solve this question, minimum stack constant space. So we have to build a minimum stack which can give us size, push, pop, top and the minimum element till all the elements pushed in that stack. So let's see what we have to implement: push, pop, size, min and the top. So let us say this is our stack. Here will be the minimum element. This is our data to be pushed in stack. Let push 8. Now the minimum element is 8 in the stack. Now push 47. Minimum element is still 8. Now push 19. Minimum element is still 8. Now push 7. Here the 7 is smaller than our minimum element. So the minimum element will be 7. And we will push here 7 plus 7 minus 8. This is a special movement to be pushed the data in our stack. Now push 30. 30 is greater than our minimum element, so minimum element is 7. Now push 2. Now 2 is smaller than our minimum element. So this will be update from 7 to 2 and we will push here 2 plus 2 minus 7. This is also an special movement. Now if we ask for pop, here 2 plus 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. So the pop value will be minus 3. Here minus 3 is smaller than our minimum element. So our original element is 2 and this is our encoded element. So we will use this by decoding it to get our previous minimum value. The previous minimum value is 7. So how will we get this? If we multiply our minimum element by 2 and minus our encoded element, this will give us 4 plus 3, that is 7. This is 7. So the previous minimum is 7. Now we will remove this. We will update our minimum from 2 to 7. Now again pop. Now this will give us 30. 30 is greater than our minimum, so no need to encode any data. So this will simply give us 30. Now remove 30. Now again pop. This will give us 7 plus 7 minus 8, that is 6. So 6 is smaller than 7. This means our 6 is an encoded value. So the original value is 7, that is the minimum value. We need to find our previous minimum value, that is before 7, which is 8. So we will use our encoded value. We will double the minimum value, that is 7, then minus the fake value. This will give us 14 minus 6, that is 8. This is our previous minimum value. Now the minimum value is 8 and 7 is removed. So we can see we get a formula when we were pushing any element which is smaller than our minimum. We are pushing value plus value minus minimum. Here value is the pushing element and minimum is the minimum element till that element. Now for getting our previous minimum element, we were using this formula 2 into minimum minus our encoded value. This will give us our previous minimum value. So hope you understand this concept. Let's code this. Now for size, return data dot size. Now for pushing the element, first we need to check is our size is equal to 0. If it is 0, we will simply push the data in our stack and update the minimum from that value. Else we will check if our value is smaller than minimum. If it is smaller, we will push value plus value minus minimum. This is the encoded value. Then we will update our minimum by that value. Else we will simply push that value, that means the value is greater than or equal to minimum. Now for pop, first we need to check the size. If it is 0, we need to print stack underflow and return -1. Now pop the element data.pop. Check if the value is smaller than minimum. This means this value is encoded value. Now we need to find the previous minimum value. The previous minimum will be 2 into min minus encoded value, that is VAL. Now save the original value to return, which is minimum, update the minimum value by previous minimum and then return the original value. Else simply return the value because value is greater than or equal to the minimum. Now same for the top. But instead of finding previous minimum, we just return the minimum value. And instead of pop, we will just find the peak value of the stack. Now for minimum, return min. So this is the code. Let's run this. Let's submit this. So our code is successfully submitted. Hope you like the video. Please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.